Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free movie application to your Firestick or Android TV. It's got thousands of movies and it's totally free to watch. In fact, we got even more content than Netflix. And they even have the newest movies available, the ones which are only available in the movie theaters. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in the app, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that app to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings. Here we are, click on that button with the gear icon, and then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, you have to locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. And now let's finally go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, we open it, and here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which you always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. We got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go to the list of apps, open up Downloader, wait until it loads for you, and here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure you click on Home, and then here in that search bar, we gotta enter a link, which is going to be onstream.so. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's on stream dot so here we go, there is the link. You can see it on your screen right now, so make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, when the website has opened, what we're looking for here is that download on stream button, right here at the very top of the page. So we gotta click on it, and then we need to click on stream for Android TV button as well. We click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. As you can see, that's happening super fast. Then we click on install and wait until OnStream is installed to our Firestick or Android TV device. After that, I recommend clicking on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. This way we got rid of unnecessary installation files from our Firestick and saved you some free space on your device. And that's really important, because you don't really have too much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, and here at the bottom you'll find OnStream, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way OnStream is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore is going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.